In the quiet embrace of the morning light, a sanctuary awakens, a place to breathe, to belong, to become. Because home is more than walls, it's a feeling, a sense of peace, of safety, of returning to where the heart feels full. Here, architecture speaks with quiet confidence, an earthy, minimalist language, where structure meets soul, and every form is shaped with purpose and grace. At DaMai, your journey ends with ease. Park at your doorstep. Carry nothing far. Like landed living, elevated. Step inside, and space greets you. Calm, open, intentional. A home shaped for love to grow, for memories to linger. A space that holds the rhythm of daily life and the quiet beauty of togetherness, where generations live in harmony and the bonds of family are gently nurtured in every corner. A space for individuals, yet made for all. Moments shared in the morning light, where laughter carries from room to room. Far from the rush, yet close to what matters. At DaMai, you live connected, without compromise. Every unit opens to a private horizon, whether it's the energy of the city or the calm of the forest. You choose your view. For those on the ground floor, step out into your own private garden. Let nature meet you at your doorstep, and let each new day unfold with grace. Wellness isn't just a weekend ritual, it's a way of life. Here, you'll find space to move, to breathe, to thrive. A peaceful setting for the young to run free and the elderly to rest with ease. Because calm surroundings change everything. Above it all, a rooftop haven awaits. A quiet escape to breathe, to pause, to simply be. Where the air feels lighter and the views stretch endlessly across the skyline. Here, every moment feels a little more alive. This is more than a home. It's a place where love is nurtured, dreams take shape, and life finds its rhythm. This is DaMai, where space, serenity, and soul come together. Brought to you by an award-winning developer. SDB, driving excellence, building lifelong relationships.